Uh, the NEDA passes judgment on the basis of viability, Your Honor. Uh, the bribe offer is not exactly, well, it may be relevant.
It's very relevant, di ba? I mean,
It
pera
is.
ng tao ito.
Uh,
And if that is going... Well, anyway, I think it's a judgment call,
Yes, sir.
Secretary Neri. I mean, if it were me, I would have told my principal, baka nakalimutan nyo, ha? Ito yung sinumbong ko sa inyo.
Yeah.
At dahan-dahan tayo rito. And, because that is your duty na hindi nyo isusubo sa alanganin, hindi ho ba?
That's right, Your Honor. I think
Tama.
I've done my duty in this case.
You've done your duty. So therefore, you are saying na what that bribe offer has nothing to do with your positive recommendation. In other words, what you're saying is that bribe offer notwithstanding, you are still supportive of this project.
That's
Even
not-
if there is a possibility, that bribery and corruption is surrounding this.
That's right, Your Honor. We base, the NEDA makes its recommendations to the NEDA ICC on the basis of the economic rights
Wow,
of
that
return.
is a stunning admission, Secretary Neri. Now, even if you yourself received what in your mind is a bribe offer, that there is possibility of corruption around a contract, around a project, you would still positively recommend it to Cabinet ICC. I'm just saying that that's a I don't want to discuss. I'm just saying, wow, that is stunning. Because is that the level now? Is that the standard now for passing of contracts in our government? Or at least when you were in NEDA? Na kahit may bulong-bulong, kahit, hindi lang ito bulong-bulong, kahit ikaw mismo nakatanggap in your own mind of a bribery offer, okay lang yun, kalimutan lang yun.
I guess it's a judgment call on my part, Your Honor.
Okay. Well, let's go to another set of data, no, that we have received in the course of this hearings.